Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class and we have started with our new chapter, that is chapter number 10, Plant World. So as you can see on your screens that today I am showing you my garden where I stay, and there is a lovely garden. You can see here there are different kinds of plants, okay, all around, and there are trees also, as you can see, many trees and many herbs, shrubs you can see here. So children, what I will be going to do is today that I will show you all the examples which we have studied in our chapter. Like I will show you trees, I will show you herbs, and I will explain it to you with live examples, and I will also show you the shrubs and herbs. Okay, so let's get started with our today's video. So our first thing which I'm going to show you is about trees. Okay, now children, you can see this is an example of a tree. Okay, this is a neem tree, as I have explained you in your books also, that a neem is a example of a tree. Okay, very big and strong plants are called trees. So as you can see, I am going in near to it. This, as you can see, this is the bark of a tree, and it is very, very strong. You can see how this is the bark of a tree, and how is it strong. It is very thick and it is very strong tree. Okay, you can see, and it is very tall also. So big and strong plants are called trees. So you got the example of trees, children. You understood what are trees. So this is the example of a tree. Now children, coming to the part which we have studied next in our books is shrubs. Okay, so as you can see, this is a kind of a shrub, and what we have studied in shrubs, that shrubs have हार्ड एंड वुडी स्टेम्स. ओके, श्रब्स की स्टेम्स बहुत हार्ड होती हैं और वुडी होती हैं. सो यू कैन सी हियर, सी आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू फ्रॉम नियर, फ्रॉम वेरी क्लोज. आई विल बी शोइंग यू दैट you can see that these are the stems of shrubs. Okay, these are all stems of shrubs and they are very hard and woody. ये बहुत hard है और woody भी है. Okay, so these are all shrubs. So shrubs का size क्या होता है? They are small in size, but they have woody and woody stems and hard stems. Okay, so this is the example. As you can see, this is a stem. Okay, so these are all stems of shrub, and they are woody and very hard. Okay, see how hard they are. I am not able to break them also. They are very hard. Okay, so have you all understood what are shrubs? Now I will be giving you an example of herbs. Okay, so I hope you all are enjoying this video and you all have understood what are trees and shrubs. Now moving towards the topic of herbs. Now see children, the example of herbs. As you can see here, what we have studied in our books, that herbs have green stem and their stem is very soft. Okay, उनकी stem भी soft होती है और green stem होती है. So you can see, I'm going to show you and see how nice these flowers are, and from very close you can see that these flowers are having such a nice color with white with red inside it. Okay, see the red thing, red circle, small circle, how nice it is looking. Okay, so I want to tell you all children that whenever you go out, just look around yourself, look around you, that how many different kinds of flowers, nice flowers are there, nice hedges are there, nice plants are there. So you should all enjoy. Except watching mobiles and TVs, you should go out and you should explore that how nice plants are there outside in your surroundings. Okay, so this will give you a positivity, a great positivity you will get after seeing the nature. Okay, so now coming back to our topic, see how nice these flowers are, and these are the stems. So as you can see, herbs के लिए हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि stems उनकी green होती है और बहुत soft होती है. So see, this is a stem of a herb and this is green in color. Okay, ये देखो आप लोग, ये green color की stem है और इसमें ये छोटे छोटे पत्तियां निकल रही हैं. They are also green and this stem is very soft. Okay, I will not break it but a little bit I will mold it and you can see here. See how easily I am able to break it and I am able to just mold it. So they are very soft. Okay, so I hope you all have understood that herbs have soft and ग्रीन स्टेम. इनकी स्टेम किस कलर की है? ग्रीन कलर की और सॉफ्ट है, बहुत सॉफ्ट है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड ऑल द 3 पार्ट्स. नाउ the thing which I'm going to explain is the parts of a plant. Now any plant you can take. As you can see, this is a plant where this is a stem. Okay, this ये जो बड़ी वाली है, ये मोटी सी जो है, ये क्या है? हमारी स्टेम है. ओके, और उसमें से ब्रांचेस निकल रही हैं. एज यू कैन सी लाइक दिस branches are coming out and from these branches leaves are attached. इनमें leaves है. So first part हमारा क्या हुआ? Stem, then branches, then leaves, then flower, and this is not a plant which have fruits. So जो fruits वाले plant होते हैं उनमें fruits भी निकलते हैं. And what are roots, children? Roots are inside the ground, ground के नीचे. So I want to show, I will be showing you what are roots. Okay, I will show you what are roots. So before that, I hope you all have understood the parts of plant. How nice parts of a plant you can see here. This is stem, these are leaves, then these white ones are branches, they are coming out from the stems. These are branches. This is flower and the roots are inside the ground, which I am going to show you. Is that clear? Now children, I am going to show you an example of roots. So I will break this out. This is a small plant, so I will try to break this out like this. Yes. Now as you can see, this is a plant and I have just took it out from the ground, and see these are the roots and all the roots are inside the ground. Ground के नीचे होती हैं roots. So you can see this. Okay, just see how I am showing it to you from close up. See how nice these roots are. And what is the use of these roots? Roots helps us to give nutrition and give nutrition to the plant, whole plant above. And they also put this, what do? They just bind up the soil with them. Soil को नीचे जो soil होती है, मिट्टी होती है ज़मीन के नीचे, उसको पकड़ के रखती है. ओके, और उससे हमारा जो भी प्लांट है वो स्ट्रेट अप खड़ा रहता है और बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट प्लांट उगता है. ओके, सो यू कैन सी हर्ब है ये. तो हर्ब में कैसी स्टेम है? ग्रीन स्टेम है. ओके, एंड इट इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड आई हैव शोन यू द live example of roots also. So by this we have completed with our chapter, children. And how nice, I hope you all have enjoyed this video very nicely, and I hope that you all have understood it also. Now I want you all to just go out and watch all the plants around you, whichever plants you see, and just try to find out different types of leaves, different types of fruits coming out from here. As you can see in this plant also, see these are the fruits of this plant. How nice they are, very thin and very nice. These are the fruits coming out from this plant. So I have shown you the example of fruits also. Is that clear? So now I am ending this video and I want you all to just go out and explore the nature. Then only you will come to know how beautiful our nature is. Is that clear? So till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.